Halloween. I have been waiting all year to say that it is finally Halloween. I'm so excited. I'm going to be married tonight, and I'm so excited. You know, I can't wait to hand out candy because we're not allowed to trick-or-treat anymore, but that's okay because I literally totally would still go. And I mean, I'm just really excited to hand out candy. We play music outside, so I can't wait to do that. And I just hope that it doesn't rain tonight because I'm going to be very sad. And you know, yeah. So let me know down below what you guys are going to be for Halloween. And guys, are you going to be trick-or-treating? Or are you going to be handing out candy? I have no choice because I totally would go trick-or-treating like I said, but I have to hand out candy. It's a law. So I don't want to get in trouble because that would not be good. But if you guys are going trick-or-treating, please be safe out there and, you know, make sure you partner up with somebody. You know, it doesn't matter how old you are, just be careful. The world is not safe anymore. It's a crazy place, so please be safe. But anyway, I did Isabella Swan from Twilight, and I am using a Moana wig, which I stated in this video, because it's the closest thing I could find, okay? I couldn't really find a brown wig. Can you believe they didn't really have a brown wig? It keeps like falling off. I mean, I kind of feel like an 80s rock star, but you know, that is okay. And her makeup is just really natural. I just love how this came together, and I just added a leather jacket with a black ruched top, so even if you don't have an exact costume, I mean, she doesn't really have a costume anyway, so just find something that looks like Bella's, like a flannel or something, and then just do this really natural makeup look. She doesn't really wear a lot of makeup or jewelry, so you know, if you guys aren't good at makeup and you don't really have anything, you know, or you can't really go out and buy anything, I mean, just use something from your closet because Bella is really, really natural and basic. So basic in a nice way, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, she doesn't really dress up or anything like that, so she's really easy to put together. And if you already have brown hair, then there you go, Bella Swan, if you're a Twilight fan. But I love how this came out. And if you guys didn't know this already, I did announce that I did do some face painting things on Instagram. So if you wanted to know why did she only do like 3 videos this year on YouTube, I did let you guys know beforehand, I think since like summertime, that I was going to be doing some face painting bits on Instagram and posting photos and like little reels, and then putting some on my TikTok as well, because I kind of want to just even it out on all of the platforms and I'll just put everything on one. I know you guys really enjoy it on here, but sometimes, you know, like life happens, a lot of things happen unexpectedly recently for me, so it was really hard to try to cram everything in, especially before Halloween this year. So I try to give you guys the best of both worlds, and I even did some on TikTok, so I hope that you guys enjoyed that this year. So I hope that you guys enjoy my last video of spooky season because it flew by. I feel like I talked way too much in this intro as always, so if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so basically this tutorial is going to be a little different. I'm actually going to talk a little bit throughout it instead of doing a voiceover because I just want to change it up a bit. So this is obviously Bella Swan when she turns into a vampire. And if you're not familiar from, well, with Twilight, I can't even speak. That is from my time. I was obsessed with Twilight, and I still love it so much, like you don't even understand. I just got my little sister into it. I showed her all of the movies the other night. Well, not all in one night, but we watched like, we had a little marathon, and it was amazing. And basically, Bella's look is super natural. So I'm using this brown shade from my Hocus Pocus palette, but you guys could use any brown or any bronzer that you guys have and just like lightly just dust it above your lid. I mean, even if you're not a makeup expert, I mean, this is so easy. Anybody can do this. It's so simple. Like, she's very, very natural. And by the way, you wouldn't believe how hard it was to find a brown wig. This is Moana's wig. It's a child's wig. Once again, it's Moana's, and I found it at Target in the children's section where the costumes are. And I was nervous that it wasn't going to fit my head, but it did, and I'm so thrilled. And I think it looks kind of cute though. I think it goes with Bella because I couldn't really find that nice chopped up layered wig, so you know, we're gonna work with Moana, but I'm digging it. I think that it looks cute, so I mean, we're gonna roll with it, right? It's Halloween anyway, so whatever, doesn't matter. But look how gorgeous this is. I mean, it's really, really natural, and I do love my dark makeup. But I mean, what the heck? I mean, we're going to become a vampire. You're not alive anyway, so That's the motto of the day, okay? Oh, this is so gorgeous. I love this shade so much. Bella is so easy to do. By the way, I did my eyebrows and my foundation off camera because you guys see me do that a million times, and if you're not familiar with it, just check out my other tutorials and my other videos in my Halloween series. I didn't do as much on this channel this year, but I already told you guys that a while ago. I told you guys that in advance because I did a lot of face painting on Instagram and little reels and TikToks and stuff, you know. I'm trying to spread it out through all the social media platforms and use them a little more, so that's why I did it this way this year, and I hope that you guys liked it. So, you know, if you do, just let me know down below and I can just keep that in mind for next year and, you know, for other content to be coming onto this channel. That way I will see what you guys like and what you don't like. So, look how gorgeous this is. I am now going to take this gorgeous brown shade in Come Little Children, and I'm going to put that under my eyes because I feel like she has that like light brownish eyeliner. I don't really see like black eyeliner when I look at all of the photos, and even in the movie too, they kept it really natural, so we're gonna do that. I love that. You see, you can barely see it, but that's how it's supposed to be. It's a super gloomy, creepy, gloomy day out here today. It's raining like crazy. The wind is so bad. We actually had our back door opened for some air, and this big gust of wind came and it just like blew all of the papers and everything all over, and we're like, yeah, we're going to lock that door now. It's just not good. I mean, we don't want that. So that's how that's going, and like as I'm sitting here filming, I can see through the tree, well, through my window, that the tree is like blowing like crazy. It's really bad. People's Halloween decorations in my development, including ours, were flying all over the place. We had to bring in a few, so I had to put them back out before Halloween. So it looks nice for Halloween day because, like, why not? See how simple this is? It's really natural, yet really pretty. I feel like a vampire already, I mean, duh. Alright, now we're going to take the shade Full Moon, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner because in the photo that I looked at a million times, she has that, like, inner corner glow, and then the rest of her eyes are just natural, obviously, because she's dead now, so you get the gist there. I'm sweating with these lights, oh my gosh. And it's not even hot today, it's obviously freezing. It's storming outside. I don't know what that's about, guys, I just don't. So we're gonna do this right here. I love how this looks. It's somewhat giving her a glow, isn't it, for being, you know, dead. That's interesting. So comment down below, were you ever a Twilight fan? Are you Team Edward or Team Jacob? I am Team Edward all the way. I love Edward Cullen. I do feel bad for Jacob though, I admit that I do. But, I mean, Team Edward all the way. I love the vampires. I mean, werewolves fascinate me too. But like, I just love vampires. Super cool. I legit feel like Bella right now. Okay. I love this. If you guys want more talk through makeup tutorials, let me know down below because I'm having fun doing this. I mean, my rings keep getting stuck in this wig. These wigs, by the way, that I use in my tutorials, I'm going to let you know now, they're obviously not like 100% good quality. I mean, this one was like 12 something, it was 15, but we had the Target Circle thing, so it came up 12 something. And then the other wigs I got are like at Five Below, you know, stuff like that. I get a lot of them at Spirit Halloween. All of the Sanderson sisters wigs I got at Spirit Halloween, and the costumes and stuff like that from the previous years. But I mean, this one's from Target, and then the other wigs are from like Five Below and stuff like that. But like I said, the quality is not like 100%, they fall a lot. But it does the job, so you know, we're going to work with it. Alright, now we're going to curl these lashes. Bella is a bit plain, so I mean, I'm not really wearing a lot of jewelry, like no earrings and necklaces, because she doesn't really like all of that. So we're not going to be adding any of that, just to keep it authentic. I have a lot of piercings, so I'm not going to take all of that out, obviously. The wig will cover it. But yeah, and this is my Bratz mascara by Makeup Revolution. So we're just going to lightly add that on there. Like I said, if you guys aren't really good at makeup or you're not a makeup artist, I mean, you don't expect this to be like 100% perfect. You don't have to expect it to be 100% perfect anyway, because like I said, it's like the simplest makeup look ever. Like, there's not much to it. Because I have a lot of people, this happened in the past, and I get this quite a bit in my DMs and stuff like that. People are like, you know, I'm not good at makeup and I can't do this like you. You know, like, what if it doesn't look the same? And I'm like, honestly, it really doesn't matter. It's just art. You know, do it the way you can and just try the best you can. I'm pretty sure it'll look fine anyway, honestly. And especially if it's a Halloween look. It's Halloween, so I don't think anybody will really notice. I mean, everybody has crazy makeup for Halloween, so I mean, it won't, you know, like, I mean, I think you guys will blend in. Ooh. I'm getting a little tongue-tied there. I mean, I've never like filmed while doing my makeup before, so it's a bit different. So we're going to just put some eyeshadow back over here. I hate when I do my makeup and I get like little mascara dots on my eyeshadow. That's a pet peeve of mine. And I'm gonna fix these lashes with my spoon because what even just happened. Yes, BELLASWAN. I don't know, like, when I was younger and Twilight first came out, I became addicted to the first book, and then I got the other books, and then I got like the shirt and everything. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed with Twilight, guys, and like I said, I still love it. I got the Edward book, but I still didn't get to read it yet, so no spoilers. But I mean, I just love Twilight. I used to literally watch it all the time on my laptop because back in my day, they didn't have all that stuff to watch movies, so you just went on those weird sites and just watched movies. You know, that's how we did it, okay? So that's what I always did. I watched Harry Potter like that, and Twilight, and I think like all the Twilight movies actually. Oh man, which one is your favorite Twilight movie if you're a fan? I mean, it's hard to pick. I mean, I find the first one really cute because that's how they first met. And then, ooh, New Moon into Eclipse is just like, woo! And then Breaking Dawn, talk about action and drama. I mean, come on now, like, wow. Alright, now we're going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and we're going to go in with some contour. I don't know how I'm going to do this with this wig. It keeps going in my face. See that? It's driving me a little nuts. I still have my chubby baby face, so I'll do this. Let me follow that line right there. Obviously, like I said, this is my first talk through makeup tutorial, so it's kind of hard to talk and do makeup at the same time, but I think I'm doing a good job. I talk a lot, so that's why I'm trying to stay focused, or I'm just gonna babble all day and this video will be like 1,000,000 minutes long, so that's how that's going. I like to watch videos when people do this because it's like more personal, you know what I mean? It's not just like silent or just a like voiceover, it's reasonable like I just said. Okay. And then we just gotta do this right here. Yeah. Okay, we gotta pull that wig back down. This wig needs to get zhuzhed. Okay, there we go. I mean, it definitely suits Moana because this wig is really bushy. Alright now. So now we're going to use the Cocoa Pebbles highlight. Guys, this is fabulous. I love this highlight. She is a dead sparkling vampire, so we are allowed to abuse this highlight. So, I am going to go crazy and I have no remorse. I mean, we're going to put some down the bridge of my nose right here. Cupid's bow. And then move this bush out of the way. And then we're going to get the other side as well. She's allowed to sparkle as much as she can. Well, as much as she wants because she's a vampire. She can't control that anyway. We're going to put some up here too. Ooh, yes. Sparkle, Bella, sparkle. Okay. Okay. We're supposed to get rain like this all week, and I'm like, really guys, come on, it better not rain on Halloween, I will cry. Well, I should say today, because I have this video scheduled to go up on Halloween. And it's like, it just better not rain, because we don't have time for that. That's how that looks so far. I love this so much, it is super cute. Now we're going in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo. And I'm obviously not going to be talking while putting lipstick on, because can we imagine what a disaster that will be? I mean, I can. I also want to point out that I did not use red contacts for this look because I am terrified and I don't trust a lot of things, and I don't want to put anything in my eyes to ruin them. I know. I mean, last year I was going to order some contacts to do some really cool looks, and I wanted to do the same thing this year, but I just don't trust. I've seen horror stories with people using contacts in their eyes, especially for like special effects, and I was scared. So on Instagram, I'm just going to edit my eyes red to make the look more authentic. So I'm sorry about that. If you guys want to add red contacts, go on ahead. Obviously, her eyes were red when she got changed, but I didn't want to take a chance to do that to my eyeballs. So yeah, I'm a chicken, I know, but I just want to be safe. So I just wanted to put that out there and let you guys know. Babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And if you guys recreated anything from my Instagram this year or my channel that I did for Halloween, please tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreations. And I'm so sad that October's over. Like, Spirit Halloween is going to close up and everything. I'm just like, I'm really sad. I've been celebrating Halloween since August, and I'm still not over the fact that October is done. Like, I'm very sad. I love Christmas and the holidays, but when I lost my grandparents and then my uncle and stuff like that, it's really hard around the holidays. I love the holidays, but it's really sentimental. Where Halloween, you just get to be dark and spooky, and you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm just going to keep babbling on. But happy Halloween once again. I hope that you guys have a safe and fun Halloween. Let me know what you guys are going to be down below, or if you're going to even do anything for Halloween, or if you even celebrate. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!